Hi, today we are in Audi A6, the C7 platform, and I'm going to show you something over here in the Climatronic unit. So you have the sync button over here, which will sync all your climatic zones. So over here we have two in the front and two in the back. And when I adjust the driver's temperature, all those temperatures are adjusted the same way. So in fact, this button will turn this 4-zone car into a single-zone car. But you can do it differently. If you, for example, break the synchronization by adjusting something over here, and when you press the driver's temperature knob, you will see that the sync is over here, but it will sync only the two front zones. Those, let's turn it down to 19. Those two over here are still separate. We have 22 and 22 over here. So the sync is only over here. And when you press the sync, you again have all four 19.5, you have all four synced together. Okay, just a quick tip that I thought I should share with you. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Check my other tutorials about more Audi stuff and subscribe for future videos. See you soon.